everyone, Brian from Black Ops Toys coming at you today with another cool unboxing. This is 26041S, again easy and simple. First version is 26041R, which you've already seen in a previous video. Let's go ahead and dig into this guy. This is a limited edition version. I love the second versions of these guys. So let's go ahead and look at it. Just pull out both trays. Lots of cool stuff. When I say limited, I just mean it's a smaller run. So typically they put some unique gear with it. All right, so the first one had Desert Tiger Striped. It was more of a desert theme. This one is obviously more of a woodland theme. And this is another tiger stripe. If you know what type of tiger stripe this is, please leave that in the comments below. It is very unique, very trick, very cool. So I love the multicolor. Same head sculpt. If you know who that is, please leave that in the comments below. If you don't know who that is, then don't leave that in the comments below. We have a chest rig in multicam. That's really nice. Looks like we have a sniper backpack, and this is also in multicam. The original was in Coyote Tan. Helmet. Ooh, I like the helmet cover. I love this black helmet cover. That's super cool. Some tape. Don't eat that. And we got some hands. Moving right along. This guy was put in both of these kits, and that looks like a, what is that, an Afghan poncho? It's a shawl. This has a wire built in, so you can shape it like that. Now it looks like a Jedi, but very cool. Holds its shape. Now here's the good stuff. Wow, right out of the gate, look at that. That right there is a camouflage AK with a folding stock. So, super sexy. I love this camo color. Ooh, it's so nice. Looks like we get some magazines for these guys. Looks like we get a foregrip, suppressor. This is a monster suppressor. You've probably seen this on one of our cert figures, but it has little teeth on the end of it. So you see the teeth. This right here is for door breaching, and you would, let's say this is a door lock, you just jam that next to the lock, and you could shoot the lock or shoot the bolt out and open the door. But super cool. Chicks dig it. Looks like we have an ACOG with a red dot on top. Shotgun. The shotgun's killer. It does have moving parts. The stock does move. Looks like the bolt moves. That's super nice. I love the rail, so you can put a lot of attachments on there. Looks like a shotgun pouch. Fast mag holster for an AK mag. Looks like a dual pistol mag pouch. Speed holster. Looks like we have a sling. Love these guys. So this is one of their latest pistols, and these are selling like hotcakes, and it comes with this awesome looking suppressor. So super cool. I have a couple of these for myself. Love the red dot. Black holster. Just goes on a belt. Shotgun shells. Looks like we have a little patch right there. A shemagh. We have a hat. A peak hole cap, I believe. Helmet padding, light sticks, sat phone with an antenna. IFAK. I love this color. Looks like we have some grenades, frag grenade, carabiner, radio, PEQ, helmet strobe, battery box and helmet NVG mount. NVG. GPS. Tourniquet. Camelback with tube, drinking tube. Petzl, or a little red light. So go around the head. Just a little LED light. A couple pistol mags. And a radio headset. That's about it, and that is plenty. That's a lot of stuff. Bam, look at that. So, lots of cool gear here. Highly recommend this figure. Again, not a lot of these made. Definitely pick it up before it goes away. Lots of cool gear. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified of new and awesome content. Like that guy.